Hello, third graders. Our first sort today is going to be a review for a CVVC pattern. A CVVC pattern means consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. It's when two vowels are together. Now remember, when two vowels go together, they make the long sound of the first vowel. So, for example, in sail, I have a C, V, V, C pattern. My first vowel is an A, so remember when two vowels are together, we make that long A sound, so sail. The next one I have is dread, so I have a C, V, V, C pattern. Now this one's a little different because in dread, it's kind of the exception. It's not dreed, it makes the short E for this example. But usually, it makes the long vowel sound. So, remember, a C, V, V, C pattern. Here we have another C, V, V, C pattern. My first vowel is an E, so it makes that long E sound. Sheets. And then my last vowel pattern is a C, V, it's C, V, V, C. My first vowel is O, so it makes that long O sound. The vowel team is OA. So if we are going to sort, this word is a CVVC pattern. It's an AI, so it makes that long A sound. So I'm going to put that underneath my AI vowel team. Trail. Here's the EA again, so I have a CVVC. Remember, with EA, it could make the E sound, but it can also make the E. So, if I'm not sure, I could read it threed or thread. Well, I know that it says thread, right? Because that threed is not a word. Here is the EA again, but listen. Leck or leak. I know that it's making that long E sound because I know that leak is a word. Cream, same thing here. I have the vowel team here, EA, and it's going to make the long E sound in this word, cream, because creme wouldn't make sense. Here's another CVVC. I have the EE vowel team, and it's going to make the long E, sheep. Here's my E and EA, another EA example. Best or beast? Well, I know that it's going to make the long E in this instance because I know best is really B-E-S-T. Let's get a different, rail. C-V-V-C. Here's my vowel team. Remember, it's going to make the long A sound, rail. Okay, this might just be a review for you, which is great. Here's coast. Remember, here's my CVVC, and here's my vowel team, OA. Go ahead and sort the rest on your own.